This Softbox photography kit can go as high as 69 inches, or you can collapse it down as low as 27.5 inches. It comes with a convenient remote control. The company did send me this in exchange for this video. Here's a closer look. In the package, you get the tripod, 3 extension legs, diffuser, the light, remote, and the light socket with the expandable softbox. Each foot has a threaded insert, and you can just screw these on. Each one of the 4 metal arms swivels. Just swivel them outward. The softbox will pop open. Add the light. Add the diffuser. Perfect. I have it set to very cool light, but I can use these buttons to change the temperature. Now it's getting warmer. Now it's more of a daylight brightness. It can go dim. It can go bright. I like it more on the white side. There's no wrong answer. You have 210 degrees that you can focus this, so it can point down at your subject, or you can bounce it off the ceiling. There is a tension knob here, very easy. Of course, it can rotate on the tripod itself. I like that it has a wide range of movement. That comes in really handy. This is the maximum 69-inch height, and then the legs, you can, with a half turn, collapse the legs up. So now this distance is very, very low. If I put this on the floor, it only comes up to my waist. On the back, there is a manual on-off switch. This on-off switch, if needed, can change the color temperature. Because you can control the distance of the legs, difficult situations like stairs are not a problem at all.